Dinosaur Rescue Team. Kiki and Mew Mew, new members of Super Rescue Team, are going into the cockpit to start their adventure.
Hello, everyone. Today I'll be your Captain Mew Mew.
And I'm the co-pilot, Kiki.
We're going on patrol. Let's go!
In the woods, a Maiasaura is asleep and unaware of the danger ahead.
Yummy dinosaur eggs.
The Maiasaurus awakes and roars. She tries to protect her babies. Kiki and Mew Mew hear the voice. Oh no! The Maiasaurus is in danger!
Hurry! Let's go!
Oh no, my baby! T-Rex, where are you going?
I will beat you! Hi. Oh no! The helicopter's broken!
Oh no!
Kiki, signal headquarters for help!
Okay!
I can make noise, I'm honking my crest, Parasaurolophus! Emergency!
I can attack him, I'm wagging my tail, Ankylosaurus. Fire!
We are the Dinosaur Rescue Team! We are brave and powerful! Parasaurolophus!
Ankylosaurus!
Let's go!
We're the Super Dinosaurs!
Wow! Cool!
My egg!
I can headbutt, I'm knocking down the tree. Pachycephalosaurus, yo ho ho!
I can save the egg, I'm stretching my back, Brachiosaurus. Leave it to me.
We are the Dinosaur Rescue Team! We are brave and powerful!
Pachycephalosaurus,
Brachiosaurus.
Let's go!
We're the Super Dinosaurs!
The Dinosaur Rescue Team! Super Rescue Team, fall in!
I will bring a new weapon. Let's go save the eggs together. Oh no! T-Rex has recovered his strength. He got an egg and placed it in a tree. Parasaurolophus and Brachiosaurus are saving the egg in front of the tree. On the other side, Ankylosaurus and Pachycephalosaurus are attacking the T-Rex. Huh? Oh. Just then, Kiki was driving a loader to help. Oh, my baby! Oh no, the egg is rolling down between the loader and T-Rex. T-Rex tries to take the egg, but Kiki operates the loader faster and gets it.
Yo-yahoo!
T-Rex is so angry that he bites the loader bucket.
Look at me! Here I come!
Mew Mew fixed the helicopter and is coming to help Kiki. She's trying to distract the T-Rex. Just as the egg is about to fall on the ground, the Maiasaura catches it. Oh, my baby!
Super Rescue Team! Come together!
Oh no, it's no good. I better run.
Yes! We beat T-Rex!
Super Rescue Team, mission accomplished. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
It's okay, you're welcome.
Huh? Wow, look at that.
Wow, it's the baby dinosaur.
That is so cool. Amazing.
Welcome to the world, little baby.